Hello, it's a wonderful morning today, and this is Kiran from KCK Live here to share with you another awesome hotel experience. Let's get going. I am in Cochin today, and I'm staying at Hotel Petal Suites. The hotel is located a bit inside, so if you're carrying more luggages or if you're carrying a big luggage, make sure you get a cab or an auto rickshaw to get to the hotel. Of all the hotels that I have stayed, I loved this one very much. Let me show you the space. In the beginning, I have told you that of all the other places that I have stayed so far, I love this place very much. There are a few reasons for that. The room is spacious, just very spacious. They have maintained it super clean and super well. Once you raise the window curtains, the room is filled with ample daylight and it feels positive. If you are a working person, they have also provided a laptop table, and working in such environment makes your work really less stressful. And of all these, there is one unique thing about this hotel, and it's about the amenities. The number of amenities they have provided is certainly more than the other places that I have stayed so far. They provide with an electric kettle, coffee and tea bags, a dental kit that comes with a toothbrush and toothpaste, a shave set, and shower caps. Now, let's not forget about today's fact. Indeed, this fact is very relevant to you if you own a car. Inside your car, you would have noticed right above the dashboard, there's a small circle or a sphere popping outside. There is a reason for it to be there. It is actually a sensor that detects sunlight. The data from that sensor is used by your car's automatic climate control, and that's how your car makes sure that the inside of your car is neither too cold nor too hot. And obviously, it would work only if you have enabled automatic climate control. It's really amazing, isn't it? Just a small circle determines the entire temperature inside your car. Now it's time for the ratings. Out of 10, I would rate 6 for luxury, a big 9 for cleanliness, 7 for space, and the price is really good for what they offer. I really loved sharing my experience with you today. And in the future, I will be sharing more and more experiences. Please subscribe so that you won't miss out of the experiences that I share in the future. Bye for now.